Okay, so today we are back on our adventure to find some spicy food, and today we're going to eat spicy pig feet. Now, I've had pig feet in America, but I've never had it in Korea, which is called like Jokbal. So this is gonna be my first time trying it today. I am kind of excited because I've never had it before, but hopefully it's not too spicy. I don't want to die. I do love spicy food, so let's try it. Look at that. Ooh. I wonder if they give you the whole pig feet, because that's what I'm used to eating back in America. They would give you like the whole kind of foot, and you would like kind of just like gnaw on it pretty much. But maybe they actually take off the kind of skin and fat of it, and then you eat that. I don't know, because I've never tried it before, but we'll see. Look at all these wonderful people that have come and tried it here. Everyone looks all happy and stuff. Sides. Oh, that's actually pretty big. And then they have all the stars signatures like everywhere. And then just other people have just written all over the wall. And that lady told us that the spiciest one is this one, so that's what we're going with.
How do you feel?
I don't know, does that really look spicy? It's not super red, right? I wonder. It might be doable, I think. Alice has already tried it and she said it's not spicy, so I don't know. But I guess we'll try the soup first since I didn't try it. But usually this is just kind of like water-based, I think. No, it's mixed with like chilies. Yeah. Yeah, it is.
Cabbage is more. So
That is spicy.
It's so spicy, right?
Yeah, spicy. So 이거 spicy 아니에요?
No.
Okay, let's see.
What do you think?
It's spicy.
Spicy?
Not really spicy, but it's spicy. Maybe spicier than what did we eat last time?
좀 매운 갈비찜?
매운 갈비찜. It's spicier than that.
That was more spicy.
매운 갈비찜? Than this?
Yeah. I think.
Really?
You think it's more spicy than before?
Yes. But I also eat this, so
Yeah,
maybe.
this is best. Yeah.
Because I already had the cabbage, so maybe now it's spicy because of that. But this also has, maybe they put chili peppers inside and kind of like steamed it with the chili peppers or something. But usually it's just like kind of like water to me. Is this what you do?
No.
Mayonnaise?
Yeah.
Should I dip it in something? What's this? I don't even know. Let's see. I think this is spicier than what we had last time, but I'm unsure. But I guess you can actually make a wrap out of it too. This is pig feet.
Pig feet.
It's different where I'm from.
America?
The whole pig feet, they cut it off and you eat the whole thing.
Whole thing?
So you see the nail of the pig, but this is like,
yeah, we cut everything.
Yeah. We don't.
How could
So you just keep like chicken
Yes.
bones. I just eat pig feet. So big thing like this, and you just But this looks better.
Yeah, it's almost better. Yeah.
It looks.
It just looks food, you know.
It looks prettier compared to just eating it in America, I guess. And there's big pig feet in it. Like corn on the cob.
Mmm.
And then flip in it. And then flip. Mmm. So it was very different for me.
Yes.
So this is better. Yes, I think so. So that cabbage has like vinegar and chili sauce. It has a lot. And that's spicier than the actual Jokbal. But it's so good.
Yeah. Or spicy and everything.
Today I'm out with Alice again. Because of her bucket list to make me eat the spiciest food in Korea. To try to kill me.
Honestly, you're crying.
She wants to see me cry. Have you eaten something spicy and cried?
Never.
Me either.
Because I like spicy, I can't handle it.
But when it's really, really, really spicy, to me it doesn't have any taste. It's just spice. You like that? Really?
I like just more tasty.
Okay. Me too. So I like when you can taste the actual chicken still. If I can't taste the chicken, it's just spicy. Then I don't. There's no point. But yes, her goal is to take me around Korea to eat spicy food and die, probably. Look at her. Today, the spices will probably be this cabbage. Yeah, it's spicier than actual meat itself. Are you supposed to dip it in this? What is this?
It's so salty.
Oh, salty?
It's not salt, but salty.
Oh, yeah. Oh, that's really salty. Oh my god. Oh, that's really salty. Wow, that's like a bag of salt. I don't know what that is. It looks like sauce, but it's just salty. It's like another sandwich, probably. I don't know what this one is, but it's not as salty as the other one. So let's go with that. No, kimchi seems too much. You know, I never figured out if you're supposed to eat this whole thing or if you could just take like a bite of it. But I feel like every time I see it in the movie, they like wrap it up and then they just like throw it in their mouth. But these are always so big, so I'm always like trying to put it in my mouth. I'm just like, this is like hard. Is this how you do it? No, this is too big.
You can handle it. Wow. So big mouth. So big mouth. Oh. How's it taste like? Good?
Too big. Why did I do that? That's horrible. We don't even have water.
Yeah.
If I choked, I would have died. But I'm okay. I'm okay. I finally found a bone. Or one with a bone. It's not just like minced and just cut off. This is kind of what I'm used to, even though this is still a lot smaller. I'm still used to like the huge like kind of foot and you just like gnaw on it, but this is kind of close enough. It's like a piece of it, I want to say. But I wondered if you actually receive it. And you do. No.
이렇게 없어서 개발한테 서로만 한박자가 맞아야.
And we are finished. You're still here? Thanks for watching the video until the end. Please don't forget to check out the description box below for info on my friends that were in the video.
Hi!
Product links, my other social media platforms, and my new product designer. If you guys love the video, please don't forget to like and subscribe. And don't forget to comment because I really love reading and writing back to comments that fans leave. And thanks for watching. See you guys next time. Bye.